Damn, I'm in a tight spot. He's all the way around it and over here. Check him out. Got him. Yes, sir. Damn, come here, baby. Reel yours in, Jessica, reel yours in. Oh God, he's all tangled up. Yeah! Brought him straight to the net, mate. Dragged his ass out of there. I was like, hell yes. Oh, he's all around it. Oh, 25 incher, baby. Five on the shot. Oh! We're gonna see how this goes. Drop my phone in the water right off the gate today. I don't know. There's a new tripod. Oh, gone. Be careful. Put that thing in front of you when you do it. And just open the lid like this and just slide your hand in, because I had that same issue and it will bail out of there.
Dude, he just launched himself.
Gone.
And turned it on.
Yeah, and the shrimp, they're 10 times worse for that. All right, let's get one on the hook here. Let's start out with the old Slam Shady. Water is high. I'd start with a minnow. Let's save them shrimp for the baskets. I'll try and get on some drum here today. Oh my God, look at the boil right there where that thing just smoked that Slam Shady. You see that boil?
I've seen it.
I gotta get out of there, he's gonna break my shit. That was an absolute tank of a fish. Stay a little bit wide though. They're farther off the bank. Like, come out about as far as I am. I just had a trout hit my shit. All right. Oh, he's after it. Come on, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it.
Oh, he's hitting it.
You see that?
Yeah.
It's a little trout.
That's cool.
Damn, he can't. He must be tiny. Oh, he ate right inside the boat. Damn, did you see that?
Yeah. That's crazy.
Little guy.
That's all right. I feel good about it.
Look at all the shrimp. Yeah, and even if you could like top of that pole, that would be even awesome, even better. Damn, I wish that little trout would get one of them hooks in his mouth. Look at all the shrimp. Jeez Louise. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna throw the net on these jokers before we go to them pipes. Man, I can't believe that little trout didn't get that hook. Oh, dude, I had to. I got some bug spray too if they start raping us. I've already been torn up a little bit. Oh yeah, there's shrimp all up in here. Straight up. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh, we fitting to load up. Damn, my dumb ass brought this big ass net. I thought I grabbed my little one. Oh, it's fixing to be load central. Oh, I got my little net. I didn't realize I brought both my damn nets. Well, I guess fuck it. Dude, the sad part is there is drum all out here. I think they're just farther off the bank.
Yeah.
We're like, see where the shrimp are jumping way out there? Yeah. I think that's where they're at. I know where they're at. I know where some are at. All right, let's fucking fill these buckets with shrimp, and then we'll go over there and start catching fish.
She's never felt that
The power of OxyClean.
the power of
It's about to be the power of some shit that is. It's actually not even that common around here. See all the shrimp jumping right there? There's literally a few drum right there just mollywopping them. But them drum aren't near as big as the ones we're about to get into. Oh my God, are you shitting me? Damn, I got broke off on something. Must be a crab pot down there or something. Uh-oh. Get out of there. Yep. Get out of there. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck no. Damn, we're in a tight spot. Oh. Woo. Holy fuck. Oh. I just killed my fucking wrist. And this ain't even a big one. This is like a small one. Holy shit. Oh, son, that joker just schooled my ass. Did you see that, Blake? This is like a 24-incher. He just took my ass to school. That's my keeper for the day. Fuck. Right in the corner of the mouth. What am I called on? Holy shit, my camera flipped around backwards. Probably didn't even get none of the fight. Yeah, that's a 24, 25-incher. Circle hook right in the corner of the mouth, and I do not got my knife. Got him right in the corner of the mouth. He smoked that pinfish.
Oh yeah?
Oh God, yeah. Oh yeah.
Yes sir.
That's a nice one.
Hell
Huh?
yeah.
Damn camera flipped around backwards. Everything was, oh yeah. That old circle hook right in the corner of the mouth. Yeah,
It's
that.
all right. Your time's coming right
Oh,
now.
it's coming. They're in here.
No, I'm fucking just happy somebody caught a fucking fish. That's what they
Oh,
have goddamn
Dude,
fish.
it's going to happen.
And this one is probably about half the size of the one that I hung a second ago.
Yeah.
That one, this one I could actually start to get him up. The other one I couldn't even get him off bottom. He just started heading that way and he must have wrapped around a cable. He's probably 24. 25. 25 on the dot. Alright, I'm gonna grab that knife while y'all get set up and I'm gonna bleed this guy out. He's heavy, he's probably 5-6 pound fish, 7-8, something like that. Nice fish. Pretty in that sunlight. Old standard issued 1-spotter. I've been catching a bunch of like multi-spotters out here. Yeah, sometimes they got a bunch of spots all up and down them. Typically they either have 1 spot or no spots, but the ones I've been catching lately, they've been having like 4, 5, 6, 7 spots. That's crazy. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, it's on like Donkey Kong. And see,
One loner, but
yeah,
that's probably what RJ caught was that one loner red swimming through up in there. There was probably about 3 of them in there.
probably. Little small school, because I broke that one, and then I pretty much immediately caught that other one.
I know when you threw that Slam Shady up in there, fucking
Oh.
that big boil happened.
Dude. And then when that dude was coming around, I had 2 other ones grab it and were taking it, and I could have just, but I didn't want him to see me fighting the fish, so I just let him take it, and then they finally dropped it. And that happened twice. So I had like 3 or 4 strikes on the Slam Shady. Broke one off, and then caught that one. And these might be too shallow, I don't know. Something tells me them ones on the left side are gonna be that heat.
I don't know, the way it looks, that grass line right there, coming up off of it, just looks very reddish.
Looks fishy. Something fishy about it. Just got to these next oyster cages. Throwing live shrimp out in these poles. Anywhere there's a bunch of these poles at, usually there's a bunch of fish. Damn, that was a fish. Okay, okay, they're in here. They're in here. First cast. Panicked, buckled under pressure. Panic, buckled under pressure. Damn near shot my foot off. I don't know what it was, but something just hauled ass with my shit. I'm assuming it was that guy.
Assuming it was that guy.
You're not that guy. Yeah, I just pulled up, hooked up a shrimp, threw it in there, hit the water, took off. I was like, oh shit. He must have just been hanging on to the shrimp though. It was like back in there. I was like, okay, it's gonna be like that. And I seen all these poles, I was like, oh yeah. Anywhere there's all these poles, typically, there's fish. I hope it wasn't a one-hit wonder. He hauled ass with it, whatever it was. I wasn't even expecting it like that, honestly. I must have threw it right on his forehead. Could have been a giant pinfish, but who knows? That wind's making it kind of tough. Oh shit. No, that's him, that's him, that's him. Oh fuck, get out of there. Get away from that. Ugh, get off of that. Oh, he's around it, he's around it, he's around it, he's around it. Get off, 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 get off. Oh, he's all around it. Oh fuck. Damn, and I'm in a tight spot. He's all the way around it and over here. I'm so He's still on, he's still on, he's just wrapped all around this shit. He's still on, let me just get off this shit real quick. He's all the way back here. There he is.
Oh, he's out there. Damn, he's out there. Alright.
He's a fucking giant. I'm holding on this fucking pole. Let me just get out of here. How my line didn't break, I don't know. Alright, let me get out here. My cork went all the way up my line when I got on that pole, so I'm going to have to take it off when I get close. Alright, matter of fact, can you unclip it real quick? It's just one side. Got it? Alright, cool.
Yeah. Bring him up here. No, he's a bull. He's a motherfucking bull.
That's the keeper though, I think.
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. He's just towing me away. Y'all go in there and get some of that. I'm good now. Yeah, they're in there. Found them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get in the net. He's in the net. Oh. Hell yeah. Huh? What you know about that shit? Total chaos. Holy shit, total f***ing piling chaos. Lock that drag down and rip them out. Yahtzee. I never should have landed that fish. That fish had me up in some shit. Woo. I don't know how my line did not break around that piling. That was crazy. That's why I love braid. I had 2 hits back to back. I was like, yeah, that ain't no pinfish. Got it. Damn, they're strong. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Check him out. Got him. That was worth the paddle. All right, now y'all definitely got to get in on some of that action. Hell yeah, I love that. I do that same shit. 25 incher, baby. 24 to the fork, 25 total. Yeah. Oh yeah. The nectar sector. Got him. Blake's on. Blake's on. Yes, sir. Damn, coming straight at you. Oh, yeah, baby. Dragging his ass around. I was about to say, might need to let Blake go. Reel yours in, Jessica. Reel yours in. Oh, God. He's all tangled up. Yeah! Brought him straight to the net, mate. That was about to be a cluster.
I got my fishing string is all in your boat.
It's all good. I think it wrapped in his line. I got all that.
Yeah.
I got all that. Dude, you dragged his ass out of there. I was like, hell yes. Come on with it.
We're fucking tangled up like fucking.
I know. I seen him go all around that line. I was trying to tell her to reel in real quick, but it was too late. That fish was doing about, he was doing about Mach 6. Yeah, we've definitely got to get her on.
Yeah.
How long is it? Like 24?
Let's see.
24 on the dot. Hell yeah. Straight like that. Well, we're sitting on a limit of fish right now, so do you want to, both of these are practically the same size. This one might be a hair fatter.
Yeah.
Which one do you want? Do you want to keep that one and turn this one loose?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Or actually, you know what?
I'm gonna keep this daddy just
Let's,
because I
yeah,
caught him.
just because you caught him here. Throw him over here. I'll bleed him out real quick.
Alright.
And then we'll keep this one on the stringer until she gets
I'm
ready.
gonna move her over.
All right, yeah,
I'ma
because
hook
they
you
seem
up
to be
on-
like right in there.
I'm gonna hook you up on yeah, they're right in there. I'm gonna hook you up on
Yeah, oh, he's fast, dude. I got you.
get the whole foot on
Let
him.
me push out of here.
Alright, yeah.
I'll cut his throat.
Alright. Give me this. Give me this pole. Let me get this set up. Here.
There it is.
This come up.
Leakage. Oh, he's spewing. Damn, we got some big ass fish in the box. All right, now let me rinse my hands. Fish. Yak gang. We out here. Island life. Can't believe the bugs ain't bad up here.
You seen out there with that thing going by?
Damn, is this an apple tree? There's some crazy trees out here. These are all probably from the early 1500s, 1600s. All these trees. All these weird ass trees that are planted here. I can see through to a big ass gap right there too. It's probably the old agriculture fields in there. Oh yeah. Damn. That's so cool.
Yeah, at least we ain't out there with that thing going by.
Oh shit.
Talk about
Damn, what the f is this right here coming through?
stingray.
Oh, it's a stingray. I thought it was another drum coming up here. Damn, he's just gonna come right on up here, ain't he?
I'm gonna try and catch his little
Big
ass.
bastard. Oh, he'll eat. Throw a shrimp in front of him. He's coming right to you. You could probably hand feed him and grab him by the damn eye holes. Big old drum right there. He probably smells this drum up here, honestly. He just sucked the bottom right there. Blake gonna hand feed this stingray. I can't believe the phone ain't picking that up. Oh, he did.